let's do 10th bit. Subtract. Children, once see the question. Don't forget to keep place values: 1000, hundreds, tens, ones. 8,305, 5,986. Come on children, do it now. Here always we should go from ones place to thousands place or hundreds place. Always we should do from here onward. So from first subtract 5 minus 6. Are we able to subtract 5 minus 6? No. Yes, we can't subtract 5 from 6. So what we should do? We should take carry from the tens place or from others. For example, if you are not having enough money for buying 5 rupees chocolate, so what you will do? You are having only 2 rupees. Then what you will do? You will borrow from your friend or you will take from your best friend, no? So similarly here also we can't able to subtract 5 from 6. So we are taking borrowing from other one. So once beside place is tens. If you are seeing in tens place, it is 0. It means there is no value. So we should take from hundreds place. So we are taking one borrow from hundreds place. So that is by adding 1 here, it will become 10. So as it is giving borrowing, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Now from tens we are taking borrowing again. So this number will become 15. 10 minus 1, 9. Now children, we can minus 15 from 6, no? Yeah. Now 15 in the mind. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Have you got it children? Let's do once again. As 5 minus 6 we can't able to do, so we are taking borrowing from the next one. So it is 0, so we are going from hundreds place. From hundreds place we are taking one borrow. 3 minus 1 is 2, and from against tens place we are taking borrow. Then this number became 15. So from 15 we should minus 6. So first keep 15 in the mind. Okay children, keep 15 in the mind. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. Your answer is 9. Next. 9 in the mind. 8 after 9. So here answer is 1. Next 2 minus 9. From 2 fingers we are not able to minus 9. So we are taking borrowing from thousands place. That is 12. And here 8 minus 1 is 7. So 12 in the mind. 9 after 10, 11, 12. How many fingers children? 1, 2, 3. So here the answer is 3. Next 7 in the mind. 5 after 6, 7. So how many children? 1, 2. So this is 2. 2319. Have you got it children? Can I explain one more? So 15 in the mind. 6 after, you should take the 6 after number and you should count up to the number which is in your mind. So 15 in the mind. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are writing 9. So similarly you all are, what you should do? You should keep the number in the mind and this small number after you should count up to the number what we are having in the mind. So next go for multiplications. Children, have you remember multiplication? This is very easy, no? You are knowing the numbers. So it is very easy for you by knowing the numbers. Okay, let's see here. Multiply. So children, once see. So here the number is 321 multiply with 25. So here it is 2-digit multiplication. Have you have an idea about 2-digit multiplications? First we should do single digit with the 3-digit and next number with 3-digit. Let's see how it will be multiplication. 321 into 25. So the number which is in the ones place, we should multiply this number with all these 3 digits, and next we should multiply 2 with this all 3 digits. So first we will multiply with first number. What is the first number here? 5. Have you had an idea about 5 table? Yeah, tell me children. 5 ones are 5. Very good. 5 twos are 10. We should write here like this. No, it is wrong. Already we have learnt in the additions and subtractions. No, if there is 10 or anything, ones place should be written here only and tens place should be taken as carry to the other place. So 5 twos are 10. So we are writing 0 here and 1 as carrying to the hundreds place. Next 5 threes are, what is the 5 threes are children? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So we are having carry here, no? So we should write 16. Why we are writing 16 here? There is no other number to multiply, no? So at that time we can write the whole number here only. So next we should multiply one more digit, no? So at that time what we will do? We will keep a cross or we can have a 0 and 2 ones are, you have an idea, no? 2 table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Now what we will do? We should add these numbers. So here we can keep cross or we can assume 0 also. Anything we can keep. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 2 is 2. What is 6 plus 4 children? 6 in the mind, 4 in the hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. Similarly as I told, keep 0 here and 1 as carrying to the next number. So 1 plus 1, how much children? 2. 2 in the mind, 2 after. So we can keep higher number in the mind and smaller number in the hand. So here higher number is 6. 6 in the mind, 2 in the hand. 6 after 7, 8. So the number by multiplying 321 with 25, we got the answer 8025. Have you got it children? Can I repeat one more time? First what you should do? You should multiply the first digit with all the digit and next number with all the digits. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 1, 16. And next 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So after this multiplying all the digits, we should add the numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2 and 6 plus 4 is 10 and 1 plus 1 2, 6 is 8. So finally we got the answer 8020.